Hello everyone and welcome back to another video in the AR experiment series. And today we have a Rubik's Cube. And we're gonna try with an app's name, Things for Rubik's Cube. It looks like this. You can easily download the app on App Store or Google Play. Download links are also available for the reference in the description box below. Okay, getting started now. Yeah, it's pretty cool. You could pick this. It has like 16 different games. So I'm gonna show you all in this video. I'm holding this in my hand and it's like interactive and it's also really cool. And so yeah, pretty actually on the phone. If you don't have the VR headset, let's go with this. Which I don't, and I might get it in the future. But I only have the cube now. And so I'm using the phone. You have to tap the phone screen and well, let a white try like a diamond dot. It's pointing out. Oh yes, let's get started with the cheese. Let's see, what does it say? Yeah, you see the cheese and there are some holes in it. Okay, next, like a jack in the box. Yeah. Okay, oh god, it's a creepy looking cloud that's like blood on its cheeks. That's like the biggest nose I have seen. He has like a tomato on his nose. Yeah, that's cool. Okay, now let's try another things. Hello body. This just like learning stuff. This is weird. I'm holding the heart in my hand. Oh, it's skeleton. Oh my god, it's so interactive. And kids can learn the structure of this, but it's creepy a little bit. Yeah. So, turn to the pirate island. It's like a store. I could probably see you through it. Yeah, it's so nice. Really cool. Okay, here we go. It's a big box. Oh, speaking nice music. It's like a boom box in my room. It's pretty cool. Okay, next one. Fish eating sushi. Oh my god. Oh god, it's cool. Yeah. Now, cutting the watermelon now. Let's see. Oh, yes, looks so real. Pretty cool. And minion. Yeah, oh, yeah, yes, nice sprout. And then octopus. Oh, it's a nest, and it hatches the octopus baby, and yeah, it keep popping up the emojis. Now let's see the fireworks. Wow, yeah, it's so amazing, so nice. Yeah. Okay, next. It looks like a castle. On the bottom, what is this? Mer's Castle Limited Edition 2017. Yeah, you have already passed. And you know it happened then, yeah, it's like really close to the camera. Okay, now turn to the next one. A mini city on my hand. You see, there are some buildings, cars. Wow, yeah, it's really cool. And then it looks like a kaleidoscope. Oh god, I don't want anybody to get easy. So next, another thing. Okay, now try again like sloth. Oh yeah, I see. Ooh, yes. really cool. Yeah. Really cool. Yeah. Okay, that's everything today. You see, with only one more skill, you can learn or play a tons of interesting games. The app today is only one of them, but it's really good because it has multiple things you can do in this one. Okay, I hope you enjoy the video and see you all in the next time. Bye bye!